Something by George Jones. Let's see if we can remember a little possum. One of my favorites from George. The song was written by the Big Bopper, J.P Richardson. You know, hello baby. Listen here. George made a hit out of White Lightning here. Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hill, lived my old pappy and he had him a still. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down. He'd fill him a jug and he'd pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. White lightning. Well, the demon came, the revenue too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him. Pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning. Took a little slugger out of way I knew. I was bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, thunder started flashing. Ooh, white lightning. Yeah, the demon came, the river knew too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him. Pappy kept my goodness, white lightning. Hit the ground, lightning started flashing, thunder started crashing. Ooh, white lightning. Well, the demon came, the river knew too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, Happy kept cooking. My goodness, white lightning. For cooking.